YouTube has a new type of YouTube monetization and is expanding YouTube shopping into affiliate marketing and allowing you to earn commissions from tagged products in your videos. Now, this is different than the YouTube merch shelf where you will sell your own products. YouTube has partnered with over 50 brands to start and allow this. This is something that you do need 20,000 subscribers to be eligible for, and you do need to be in the YouTube Partner Program. And each of these 50 brands and any additional brands that come in the future set their own rates for commissions. Now, for those of you who are familiar with the Amazon Affiliate and Amazon Influencer Program, we've made several videos about those on my YouTube channel. And we've done a lot of videos actually about affiliate marketing. I think we've done literally over 50 videos about affiliate marketing on this channel. There is a lot to unpack here, but what I do want to tell you is that when people buy a product through these links that will be displayed on your YouTube channel, and they'll also have these graphical images and representations for YouTube shopping, for these individual products, you can earn commissions that might be better, significantly better than the commissions that you earn from Amazon in some cases. So it actually would be worth it to have this feature on your YouTube channel. And then for customers who do want to buy from Amazon for one reason or another, it's still worth it to have those affiliate links in the description of your YouTube channel. But this will give you on-platform monetization when it comes to affiliate marketing through YouTube shopping. Now, I know this might feel a little bit confusing for you. We will have a step-by-step tutorial on the channel as soon as we can, but what I will tell you about this, and what I think is really interesting, is this is another way for you to monetize directly on the platform without having to take that many additional steps. And because it's direct through YouTube, you don't have to worry, neither does your audience have to feel like, oh, is affiliate marketing a scam? It's not, it never really has been. I talk about this all the time. It's just commission sales for things that people already want to buy, and because you help them with that process, you earn a cut. With regard to your earnings and revenue, this will be somewhat different than your regular YouTube earnings, even though it will come through your YouTube AdSense account. The estimated earnings for the commissions on products purchased through YouTube shopping with your affiliate links are going to be deferred by anywhere from, according to the information I have here, it looks like that is going to be 60 to 120 days. And this is to accommodate any potential returns, and any returns that do happen from customers returning those products will be deducted from your estimated earnings. Your final payout will be what you have once that period has passed. So again, this is going to go toward your YouTube AdSense earnings and payouts. However, unlike your regular YouTube AdSense, this amount, or the estimated amount, is going to be deferred by much longer than usual. 60 to 120 days. And that just counts for returns. This is fairly normal with many affiliate programs, so it's nothing new here. Just new to most YouTubers. There are 4 categories that this YouTube shopping affiliate commissions is really going to apply to for now. Could be more in the future, and it's across 50 brands. This is going to be beauty, apparel and footwear, home, and tech. So this is great for product-based influencers who do reviews anyway. So this is going to apply to beauty and tech influencers who already do very product-driven videos anyway, but also DIY, fashion, and home decor content creators are also going to benefit from this. I actually think that this is going to be great for the platform. I think this is going to be great for creators. A lot of you are going to earn more money. The YouTube shopping affiliate program is, unfortunately for now, only going to be available to US creators. I do expect that, like other YouTube partnership features, that this will roll out to other countries and regions as well. But for now, it'll be a US release and rollout for this. As I said earlier, it does require you to have 20,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, which means that small YouTube channels, anywhere from 0 to 20,000, some of you should go ahead and probably get started with other affiliate programs. That will also help get your audience used to this and conditioned to the idea until you have access to this feature. Your channel also, of course, does have to already be in YPP, the YouTube Partner Program, monetized and in good standing. You're going to be able to tag these products in your existing videos already, so even your back catalog can become profitable. You'll be able to obviously do this in new videos, and you'll be able to track your earnings and sales commissions in your YouTube dashboard, pretty much the same as always. So that's going to be great that they're expanding our ability to see where our revenue is coming from, as well as giving us these new revenue opportunities. And something that, again, I've been benefiting from affiliate marketing for years on YouTube. Is actually the first way I made my first $1,000 on YouTube was through the Amazon affiliate program, as at the time that was the main option for most of us content creators. Having this directly in platform is finally going to allow more creators to monetize in different ways. I've always talked about diversifying your revenue streams, and now you're going to be able to do that in more ways directly here on YouTube as a creator. I still encourage you to pursue options outside of platform revenue, but for most of you who that might just be overwhelming for, this is going to be a wonderful option. And like I said, for small creators who might feel left out, go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing through off-platform means so that you get used to the idea, and so does your audience. If you want to learn more about that, you should definitely check out the videos in my affiliate marketing playlist. They will be linked in the description down below. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Stay awesome, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.